This is my new dual bearing spindle alignment tool. I milled this 1/2 inch square stock down to 10 millimeter. For the bearings, I used my handy leftover fidget spinners. My 1-inch dual carbide end cutter cuts fast and leaves a smooth finish. I had to mill all 4 surfaces because this square stock was not very square. Of course, oil is needed for a lubricant and for the smoke effect.
I am the jolly Coppersmith, no one from care is freer. So long as I have cash to treat myself to beer, I am the happiest man on earth and sing both loud and long, while each stroke of my hammer keeps time to my jovial song. La 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 la
Both ends were then milled square to the stock. All surfaces were deburred on the belt sander. Then both ends were drilled to facilitate tapping. Holes were tapped out to metric 8x05 threads.
I am the happiest man on earth and sing both loud and long, while each stroke of my hammer keeps time to my jovial song. La 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 la.
Bearings are attached with proper spacers and button-head Allen screws. The tool is now attached to my quick change tool holder. Due to both bearings being mounted on the same plane, simply switching the location on the tool holder allows for side or face alignment.